Sarak yang te YouTube channel here tu te lengai thatu te in zavain che bai le ule Mizoram hi pangpar mo tak tak te tamnaram ani mara chu chunga cheng mihring te hi tun lai hian rui hlavin min ti buena sa ta hle ani ti ngai dan om theya chuwangin walnut to go day din chinin government primary school Bethlehem veng aizol chuan zirlai no pangte fuinan le mi puitena an lo hria ta tan rui hlo ti that lo zia te ntlang au puya chuan thu te soin an zai bok ani.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that affects our health, our future, and even our families. Tobacco. Smoking cigarettes or chewing gutkhas may look small, but the damage it causes is very big. Tobacco can harm our lungs, our heart, and even cause deadly diseases like cancer. Dear friends, we are the new generation. Our choices decide the future. If we say no to tobacco today, we are saying yes to our life, health, and happiness. A tobacco-free generation means a strong, healthy nation. So, let's take a promise together.